So earlier we played Chatustarajadi, Dhruvatalam. Now we will play Chatustarajadi, Mattiyatalam. Here the count is 10. Earlier it was 14. I will show you how it is put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have one lagu, one dhrutam, one lagu. Earlier we had two lagus, one lagu at the last. Now we only have one lagu here. Right? I will show you how it is sung. Sa re ga re sa re ga ma ga re ga ma pa ma pa da ni da pa da ni sa ni da ni da pa da ni da pa ma pa da pa ma ga ma ga re ga re sa. Now I will play without Gamaka and then I will play with Gamaka for you. Just have a look. Now I play with Gamaka, you can have a look. Here when I was playing Da, I was also giving this Gamaka which I give here. So this can also be given if you think it's going to be difficult for you to come from Sa. Like this you can play, or Okay, so this way you can play da either in the first string or in the second string, right? So you can play da interchangeably. Even pa you can play interchangeably. You can either play in the second string or in the first string. But whenever you're playing Gamaka, it is always advisable to play in the second string for it to be easier for you to slide between sa and pa and all that. So this is how the second one is played. Second one is called Chatusara Jadi Mattyatalam. Okay, I'll put it again for you. You can have a look. Sa re ga re sa re ga ma ga re ga ma pa. So it goes this way. Now we will play the third one, which is Chatusara Jadi Rupakatalam. It's very simple as compared to the first and second one. It goes one Dhrutam, one Lagu. Sa re ga ma pa ga ma pa da ni pa da ni sa ni da pa ni da pa ma da pa ma ga pa ma ga re sa. Now I'll play it for you without Gamaka first and then with Gamaka. Have a look. Now I'll play with Gamaka. Have a look. It can be played this way, or